Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, of course, and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that focuses on a plethora of things. And the main thing is that we show you how to do it. So we are celebrating the holiday season. See if you can use any of these tips. Stick around, and as always, we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. So today we are so excited because we are in a festive mood and we are going to show you various simple centerpieces that you can do for the holiday season. It's going to involve candles, faux flower petals, Christmas ornaments, and just a variety of things that you can use to make a simple centerpiece on your table. So if you're interested, stay tuned. All right, my friends, so the next festive simplistic centerpiece will consist of using this candle holder. And it's a gold color, perfect for the holidays. This basket, now this is a popsicle stick basket. It was made for me and I love it, and I've used it in many situations. You've probably seen it in many of my home decor videos because I place it throughout my house. Wherever it works, that's where I place it. So we'll be using this today, but you can use a basket of your own choosing. And I thought it was really clever because it's already in a star shape. So perfect. And we're gonna sit that atop of the candle holder. We're gonna be using a variety of ornaments. So what we're going to do, and one last thing, we're going to be using some battery operated star lights. These are very simple centerpieces that anyone could put together just for the holidays, that last minute piece that you need to use if you're having some type of an event and you need that one little thing. This is what we're doing today. Nothing very lavish, but simple centerpieces. So all you do is take your ornaments and you place them in the basket of your choice. Some of the ornaments even have the word joy on it, so perfect. After you've placed all of your ornaments into your basket, then you're going to add your lights. We'll give you a closer look. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? This is a great simple centerpiece that you can use, whip it together quickly, and it will accent any table. So you must try it. And the lights are perfect. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy holidays.